Hmm?
Just a little emotional.
Yeah. What's those?
The keys to my daddy's old car. Did you have any idea?
Is it? Well, sure.
That needs a lot of work. I hate you see it like that, but
It's sharp. I mean, it's still. Yep.
it's been through a lot.
Yep. Yeah.
He'll get it back right. He'll fix it.
We've already started. That was where we
I went
started.
through a lot with this car.
All right, so before we close it out, you got to sit in your car.
Yeah.
you got to sit in your car.
Well,
It's changed, yeah, a little bit.
yeah.
All right, boys, it's time. We got to get this thing to the shop. See what's going on. Dover has not seen it. Hey, boy, Dover, what y'all think here? It's, you know.
It's a fox.
It's a fox. It's a fox. All right, so we're gonna jump this thing off. Let me grab the keys and we'll get her loaded up. All right, so
Fire up this beast.
yeah, I imagine we'll take the hood. Let's see if I can get this thing started.
Fire up that beast.
The beast from the east. All right, there we go. Yeah, it is.
Right.
Amp lights on. Probably gonna need an alternator too. What do you think? It's actually idling. It's idling pretty decent. All right. Don't die, Susie. It's good. All right. Roll her up here. Yeah.
It ain't running rough.
Okay.
That's that chop. It ain't running rough.
Yeah, he wanted to drive it.
Alright. That's cool.
All right. Thug life. Hey, that's not thug life.
Now you need that too.
Yeah, tell me about it. It's all gonna be in this. Whew. Yep. All right, boys, we got her off the trailer. That was a big fiasco trying to get it running, but it's actually sitting here idling pretty decent. Amp light is on, and we got trim falling, but it's actually running pretty good, all things considered. There we go. All right, here we go. Let's see how much I'm gonna have to sell my body to science here.
You gonna be alright.
I hope so. It actually,
It's only gonna need everything.
yeah, pretty much, yeah. It was actually idling pretty well. Got some heat in it. We're gonna hit these with a hammer. You got a hammer, just go ahead and hit them. Throw them off of there.
Polish.
Oh, you can have them. They're all yours. Come with the HIDs from eBay. Hey, them fog lights look new though. Oh Lord. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, number one.
Oh, it's fairly dry. Huh?
Is that oil or coolant?
Looks like oil. You need to seep it here and there, but
Yeah. Of course, you know what? It just got
no
water
more
on
than
it.
normal.
I forgot it just got rained on.
Yeah, it just got rained on.
Okay.
It's pretty dry considering.
Freeze plugs look good.
Side the block's dry.
Look at this. No O2 sensors.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that lovely?
There, no.
No.
O2 delete.
I mean, really?
O2 delete, dog.
Oh my God. Is the O2 sensor harness on it? There it is. There it is right there.
Oh, wow.
Well, of course it ain't gonna run or
That's why it
idle,
ain't
for
gonna
God's
run
sake.
right.
So it had this, look, here's the situation, guys. Perfectly good Mac Pro chamber on it. They cut it, put this garbage 2-inch pipe, and deleted the O2 sensors.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God. Okay.
I'll be there, so.
Yeah. It's got an aluminum drive shaft in it.
Aluminum.
We'll take it. It's one of them
Subframe connector.
aluminum. Yeah, we got subframes. Rusty Mac mufflers.
Oh, man.
Oh, that pinion seal is pouring. Yeah. Oh, let's see. Got a little mud on her. It'd be all right. Ain't a spot of rust on this car. Them shocks are... I'm gonna try not to use any bad language here, boys, but they're screwed. Lovely, just put it that way. Yeah, but really, it's...
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah. I like it.
Get a transmission in it. Tune this thing up.
Worse.
Oh yeah, right here.
Hey.
Here on the channel. Huh?
Yeah, right here on the channel.
Be way worse.
It looks like they started to jack up on the core support and then they had a moment and realized you don't do that. Oh, me. It's not horrible, boys. It's not horrible. We can definitely work with this. Looks like it's had a water pump. I don't know. How we looking back there?
We just looking.
Let's see what else we got under here. Kind of rusty Mac tailpipes. We'll need to put a...
373. Yeah, what I was thinking, huh?
Yeah, we think it's got 373.
Really? Okay. Hey, that saves me the trouble. Looks like need to put a fuel filter in it.
Yeah, they ain't had one of them since what? 1992?
That's that original. This is not bad, y'all.
Yeah.
I'm counting blessings right about now.
And here you was thinking.
Oh man. But look, we got that. That's not horrible.
Oh, that's not
but this thing's, excuse my language, boys, this is clean under here.
Straight.
Had a starter recently.
Can't ask for much more.
No.
Out of Fox, man.
All right, boys, so here you go. Actually came out very, very, very fortunate. And I actually did see the one spot where the accident, it looked like the car was hit right here. And it probably got into the door a little bit. The fender got pushed back, but that's the only spot right there where we can see the accident got into the frame. So we're good. We're good. Couldn't be happier, really, to be honest with you. This thing is it's actually decent. So coming up, guys, I'm gonna start with the basics, and we're just gonna go through the car step by step, and just try to get it back right. And for all the people that are wondering, no coyote. We all agreed that it's going back stock, down to the turbine wheels, and you know, we're not doing a concourse restoration on it, guys, but it's It's gonna be right, and it's gonna sound good. We did check; it's got 373s in it, but under the hood, other than like the headers, it's gonna be stock for the most part. Gonna have exhaust on it, but got some stuff coming already. So stay tuned, guys. You're not gonna want to miss this. A full bring back of Pop's car. So I'm excited. I feel much better already. Yes, thumbs up. Later.